檢修時獲得高質素嘅服務。
We have about 40 questions here. These questions start from how old is the furnace, how efficient it is, if there's any carbon monoxide on it, any gas leak on it, what needs to be done to make sure it's running properly. Has it to be clocked? It means to make sure what is burning is as the manufacturer requirement.
而當暖氣檢修人員回答程式中嘅所有問題，總公司就會喺同一時間對檢查結果進行覆查，並發出即時指示。
The benefit of that is if any of our technicians or anyone accidentally make a mistake, the answer is not a proper answer, we have a review system that we get notified in our office by his answers, and then we can text him back or call him back and say, what is this happening? And he can come up with the proper answer, or he can go back and correct his answer.
該電子覆查系統可即時確保暖氣系統係按照生產商標準運作，以及技師所輸入嘅數據是否超出正確範圍或者互相矛盾。
If there is a carbon monoxide over 10 parts per million, it's recommended to shut the furnace down for safety issues. And sometimes customer wants to get a second opinion to make sure our numbers are correct. With this, get notified. We can come back, we can send another technician with no charge for the customer to make sure the numbers are correct.
而喺檢修服務結束後，客戶仲可以獲得一份包括所有檢修問題答案在內嘅報告，而入邊仲可能會列有維修或零件更換建議，以及實施每項建議所需要嘅費用。好啦，今晚嘅消費點滴就講到呢度。